Yo, what's good people, it's J Cactus, and in today's video I'm gonna try and mix heavy metal with UK drill. I actually had this recommended in a comment and I've never tried it before, but I think it could be sick. I've spent the morning learning as much as I could about heavy metal and I think I've got a bit of an idea, so let's get straight into it. Alright, so I'm gonna need a heavy metal melody and I want to make something from scratch just because it's gonna be more of a challenge. So I've got this electric sunburst guitar in Contact and I'm just gonna see what presets the best. See what this rock one's like. Yeah, something like this is perfect. I've got the BPM set to 144 and we're just going to click something in. Let's just set a scale. I'm going to go for D minor. Now, one thing I clocked from studying a bit of heavy metal this morning is that a lot of people use power chords. I didn't even know what that was until this morning, but basically all you do is create a chord. It's kind of like a drill chord. You'd have a normal chord like this, but then you'd get rid of the middle note and then I'm just going to shorten that. And then the chords are usually played pretty quick. So you could have something like this, even another one. See, straight away I'm getting heavy metal vibes. I'm going to repeat that, and then for these last four maybe, I'll bring those up, but just the top notes. Yeah, there we go. I'm also just going to shorten these because I want to make it a bit more natural, like it's actually being strummed. So I'm just going to move each note. So yeah, just starting off basic, and then at the end, maybe try this. Actually, let's swap that around. Then we could just bring these down too. And then I'm going to take all of these top notes, just copy them and bring them down an octave. We'll try this. Sounding hard so far. But from here I want to make it more interesting. So I'm going to play with the velocity, the length of the notes, and then also change some of the notes. So yeah, just move some of them down. And then just randomize the velocity as well. So I might keep this section, and then in this one, we'll switch a few more things up. Then maybe we could make a couple short like this. Yeah, this is sounding mad. Let's try a different key too. That sounds hard actually. Oh, you know what? This might sound crazier. With that guitar rig, I'm actually just bringing down the mix. And then I'm going to add this sound that I just found in Arcade. And it's just going to play when it loops around to this section. Let's add some atmosphere. Okay, next I just want to add another guitar, but it's going to be from the scoring kit. Sounds hard. But I've just sent that to the same insert as the main guitar, so it's got similar effects. Sounded evil. I think I need to make this a bit longer though, so I'm going to copy this out and then this one. And then we'll try another one here. And then I want to add one more texture. This is a bit like a pad. So it'll be like this. And I think that's all the melody really needs. It's just the two guitars and then a couple textures. So yeah, before I add any other melodies, I'm just going to work on the drums and see what space I've got. I'm just going to roll these ones up. Let's actually layer that. We'll choose this one. And yo, I'm taking it back to the OG headphones because like an idiot, I didn't charge the other ones. Alright, I'm going to get a couple different counter snares in. I'll get one like this, and then I need some kind of heavier one. Alright, I'm thinking, yeah, something like this. I'm just going to copy that out a few times. I'm gonna get some low ones in as well. For this type of beat, I don't even mind going crazy with the counter snares because I don't have any artist in mind. Yeah, let's get 3 there. And then I'll take the second one, which is a bit lighter, and then just add some extra rolls with this. So yeah, something like this. sounding mad. All right, let's start the 808. So these are a couple new ones I've been working on. I don't know when they're going to be released though. Maybe start with a slide up. And then I think this one could maybe just slide into itself. Alright, so we got this so far. Sounding wild. Alright, sounding sick so far. I just need to make sure the 808 pattern works in the second part too. So I'm just adding some manual delays to some of the slides. This one sounded mad. Alright, let's just grab some perks in there as well. Alright, let's grab the camera flash as well. Definitely gonna add a stomp to this one as well. Just one at the beginning and then just something at the end here. Just see what that sounds like without the guitar. And then it really doesn't need much else, maybe just a couple rises. And then maybe this one as well. And then actually, because it's kind of a crazy beat, let's add one of these drum fills. Yeah, something like that. Okay, let's test this. And then I want to see if I can layer that with one more. Alright, I think that's going to be enough. It's definitely sounding busy, so I'm just going to start arranging it. So I've just copied it out a few times, and then we'll see how we want to start. Maybe we just start with the guitar straight away. So yeah, let's try start like that. Alright, we'll bring this drum fill in as well, because I think I want the drop to be pretty quick. Crazy. And then maybe when that top line comes in, I can just cut these count snares. Actually, maybe I get the camera flash there. Alright, sick. And then in this part, everything could play. I don't even know if there's space for an artist on this, but I don't even care for this one. Alright, so I just want everything to play for that. And then when it comes to this section, we can just have everything just start to die out. I almost forgot about the pads and the drones as well. Just for some variation though, for the first hook, I'm going to keep that top line out and just leave this one in. And then when it comes to the verse, everything can die out like this. And then just bring things back in again. I'm going to keep the drones out though. Keep that second count snare out too, till about there. Maybe in this one I'll have the top line come back in though. And then in this section, maybe have the second 808 come in. Sounding crazy. So yeah, this part, I'll keep that same second 808 because there's a bit less sub in that, so that when it drops into the hook, you're going to hear the bass more. Yeah, I need to get rid of the drone there. And then start cutting this too. And then I'm just going to do the same thing here. And then I think just right at the end, that's where this other 808 can come in. Yeah, I think that's the one. So I'm going to copy it across and we'll have a listen from the beginning. Alright, so for the intro, just starting with the main guitar. Just wanted energy straight away, so just a short intro. And then we'll come straight into the hook. This is sounding mad. And I just saved this top line here. Oh, this is nuts. I didn't even listen to rock like that, but I could start fucking mosh pit to this. So yeah, just coming straight to the verse now. So a little breakdown. So even though it's those two main patterns repeating, I'm just adding variation with the little pauses like that. So yeah, obviously the energy is picked back up again here. Then in this next section we have the second 808, the new sound. Again, that's just adding that nice variation. And we've got the top line. And then as you saw, I just made those cuts for the bridge. Again, just to add more emphasis to the hook.